Hey guys, welcome back to Vallone's RC Hobby, and in this video we're going to do a running video of this little bad boy, the Redcat Racing Shredder. I got this car maybe about 6 to 8 months ago. Good running car. I put some Duratrax 6-pack tires on here, the big suckers, and that did wind up stripping my diffs in the very beginning, but I wound up getting the hardened diffs for this truck, and I'm running 6500 milliamp batteries, 75C discharge, and for $360 you get a pretty decent truck. It's more of like a 1/8 scale truck, just kind of stretched out to maybe like a 1/7 or 1/6 scale, but a pretty cool truck for the money, and you really can't go wrong. So let's get running. Cool truck. It's quick, about 40-45 miles an hour. Woo! Nice. Tires ballooning, of course. It's all part of the flavor. Wow. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Woo! Nice. Tearing it up. Oh, I love that hill. We get some jumps out here soon. Uh-oh, here come the geese. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Tumble wumble. Kevin T. Tumble wumble. I don't know if you guys can see all the way out there. Sweet. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. That was a big tumble. And what I hit over there. Steering seems a little wonky now. That's the only thing about this truck. The arms are not as beefy as, say, a real 1/6 scale. It's just pretty much a 1/8 scale style truck, but just kind of stretched. But again, for the buy, 360 bucks. I mean, geez, I see smaller trucks, 1/10 scale, going for more than that. Oh, I landed it. These tires are ballooning big time. Now, ordinarily, they probably should not even still be on there, those tires, but it just looks cool. The stock tires that come with the Shredder are really not the greatest, but it might be something I have to look back into doing, because these don't look too well right now, I'll be honest with you. Let's go take a peek here real quick, see what's going on. Wow, I got all this twine on here. Look at that. How the heck did that happen? Alright, seems okay. These tires are just nice and heavy. After just bashing around on this hill, it's still fun. I haven't really launched this thing. I really don't do that in general. I just like to do a nice straightaway runs like you see here. I personally don't like to break anything. I mean, it's all good. It's all part of the fun, part of the hobby to break things. You order parts and Beautiful day here in New York. It's about 50 degrees in February, which is unheard of this time of year. Yeah, it looks like I got to take these tires off of this truck. It just kind of, that front tire does not look good. I got to see if maybe the rubber's separating from the wheel, or maybe the foam has just gotten a little funky in there. Looks like a cartoon character. Pretty wonky. Oh, look at that ramp. So cool. It's a really great spot here. Whoa. Woo. Oh, I. Oh. Oof. Car's making a ton of noise. Needs a lot of maintenance, it looks like. I don't think I've driven this in probably a good month or two. Woo! Whoa. I don't want to scare the geese, but oop, there goes the geese. Nice. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see it all the way over there. Oh, looks like it's dying. Yep. Light bulb cut off. Boom, running video of the Redcat Racing Shredder. A little wonky of a truck, but you know what? For the price, it's a little beast. So you know what? Why not? Can't go wrong. It's not really breaking the bank, but I think I'm probably gonna go back to the stock tires. I think these tires in the end, just too heavy. You're probably best to just leave this truck the way it is, stock. I see some guys online upgrading it with, you know, to 6S and beefier motor and such, but you wind up stripping the gears. I just think this truck is meant to be the way it is, stock, out the box, and without flirting with anything else. So, all right, guys, that's that running video. For Chris from Vallone's RC Hobby, and please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll be doing videos like this each and every week. All right, guys, take care.